Today as well in Parliament, while we speak about the highlights, one of the big talking points was the Sambal rights. And leading the charge for the India bloc, for the opposition, was the SP MP chief Akhilesh Yadav, who lashed out at the BJP, saying this was a pre-planned conspiracy, that Muslims actually held back, exercised restraint for the longest time, and then had to, in fact, respond when they were fired upon by cops. So this is what Akhilesh Yadav said, prompting also a sharp retort from the government. Let's get your details of what played out in Parliament on the Sambal rights and what to expect tomorrow, as this issue is only going to escalate.
Over a week after violent clashes in Sambal, Uttar Pradesh, Samajwadi Party chief and MP Akhilesh Yadav raised the issue in Parliament and blamed the BJP for the violent escalation.
ये जो घटना हुई है, ये सोची समझी रणनीति के तहत वेल प्लान्ड हुआ है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके सहयोगी और समर्थक, शुभचिंतक बार बार खुदाई की जो बात कर रहे हैं अध्यक्ष महोदय, ये खुदाई जो है हमारे देश का सौहार्द, हमारे देश का भाईचारा, हमारे देश का गंगा जमनी तहजीब को खो देगा। मैं आपका धन्यवाद इसलिए भी देता हूं कि
Akhilesh Yadav also questioned the timing of the mosque survey.
सोची समझी इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं। 22/11/2024 फ्राइडे को जुमे की नमाज के लिए लोग नमाज अदा करने के लिए जामा मस्जिद पहुंचे, लेकिन पुलिस प्रशासन ने बैरिकेड लगा दिया ताकि लोग नमाज न पढ़ सकें। 29/11/2024 को कोर्ट की अगली तारीख तय थी, परंतु दिनांक 23/11/2024 की रात पुलिस प्रशासन द्वारा कहा गया 24/11/2024 यानी अगले दिन सुबह को दोबारा सर्वे किया जाएगा, और तानाशाही दिखाते हुए सुबह के वक्त से पहले शाही जामा मस्जिद आ गई।
On ground zero Sambal, situation remains tense and prohibitory orders are still in place. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and his sister Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are likely to visit the restive town on Wednesday. This after a Congress delegation was stopped from entering Sambal on Monday. The Moradabad district administration has made it clear that Rahul Gandhi or any other political leader will not be allowed into Sambal.
उनके ऊपर भी यही चीज लागू होता है, उनसे भी लगातार रिक्वेस्ट की जा रही है कि अभी संभल ना आवे, बेहतर होगा। जो स्थिति है सबके लिए एक जैसी है। अभी जिलाधिकारी के आदेश से 10 तारीख तक सबके आने पर अभी भी रोक है। किसी को रोकना भी हम नहीं चाहते, बट यही है कि स्थिति में किसी तरीके का तनाव ना हो जाए।
Sambal erupted in violence on November 24 following a court-ordered survey of the Mughal-era Shahi Jama Masjid, which Hindus claim was built over a temple.
लगातार घटना को सरकार ने गंभीरता से लिया है। न्यायिक जांच भी चल रही है, उच्च स्तरीय जांच भी चल रही है। जो भी दोषी होगा कानून के तहत कड़ी कार्रवाई होगी। अभी प्राथमिकता हमें वहां पर शांति स्थापित रहे, लोगों को रहने खाने में दिक्कत न हो, ये जिम्मेदारी हमारी है।
The Supreme Court has halted survey proceedings and sealed the report until the Allahabad High Court hears the Mosque Committee's appeal. With Piyush Mishra and Mosmi Singh in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, let's bring in Amit Bharadwaj on this broadcast, who's been tracking the latest coming in from the Congress camp on the Sambal riots. Amit, yesterday you had an attempt by a Congress delegation to visit Sambal. The local administration turned them away, saying no political party, no politician can visit Sambal right now, given that the situation still is extremely fragile, extremely sensitive. And even today, with the news coming in of the Gandhi siblings making their way to Sambal tomorrow, there have been appeals that have come in from the administration. And despite that, we're hearing that the Congress still plans to go ahead with their visit tomorrow.
Right, Akshita. You know, Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra intend to visit Sambal, or at least they will make an attempt tomorrow morning. What we are given to understand that 7 a.m. in the morning, Rahul is expected to leave Delhi and he will be heading towards Sambal. But the bigger question is as to whether they will be able to even cross the Delhi and UP border, because I'd spoken to the commissioner of Moradabad, Anjanay Kumar Singh, and he told me that the restriction imposed by the DM order continues to be there, which means that any political leader or any political delegation cannot be allowed into Sambhal. And the reason is that they believe that while the law and order situation is under control, but it continues to be fragile, and they do not intend to have anybody on and around, in and around Sambhal, which can trigger or escalate the situation and, again, create a state to law and order situation. And we have to understand that while you have the Judicial Commission going on the ground, the forensic team is working on the ground, as well as continuously the administration is also speaking to the community leaders to ensure that nothing untoward again happens in the western UP township.
Yeah.
But on the other side,
no, and there are prohibitory orders.
Yes.
Prohibitory orders are in place till 10th December. The communication from the Congress yesterday was that we will wait till 10th and then visit Sambhal. What's changed really in the last 24 hours that's prompted the Gandhi siblings to say, look, we are going to head there ASAP? Thanks very much, Amit, for joining us with those details. We'll see what plays out. Tomorrow morning, we're hearing that Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi from Delhi will make their way to Sambhal, or at least attempt to do so. Clearly in a message or an attempt to grandstand on this issue, because their permission has not been granted and authorities have made it clear no political party will be allowed there.